everyone, it's Brandon with Hoku Marketing, and today I wanted to do a tutorial on how to install Accessibe onto your Shopify website. For those of you that aren't familiar with Accessibe, you can there's a link below that will take you to their website here, and it's an overlay that helps people with disabilities to interact with your website. When you have this Accessibe on your website, you'll have a little icon down in the bottom right over here that will have a handicap symbol, kind of like one of these websites. Let's take a look. So this is Hilton Columbus at Easton. If you look down on the bottom right, they have that symbol there. Here's another one. This is BMW Santa Monica out in California, and this one has that Accessibe symbol down there. So this basically lets people know who have disabilities, whether it's a visual impairment or something else, that's maybe using a tool, that they can go there and click on that and then interact with your website a lot easier. Okay, so let's take a look at my website real quick. So you see on the bottom right, I don't have that. So that's what I'm going to show you how we're going to do. We're going to do that right now. Okay, so when you do go to Accessibe and you sign up, you're going to get a login and password, and then you're going to get a bit of script to put into your theme.liquid file. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Sounds a little complicated, but it's not. It's super easy. So once you get that email, it'll look something like this, and you'll have this code here, script. So go ahead and highlight that whole amount like I have done here. If you're on a Mac, go ahead and Command C or copy that, and then we're going to paste that. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So once you have this script copied, you're going to go to your admin screen in your Shopify website. So here we are at mine, and you have your menu along the left hand side. If you click online store, you'll be taken to a screen similar to this. I use an out of the sandbox parallax theme, so that's why that information is there. If you use a different theme, that information will be presented. So it'll look close to this, but it may be a little different. You will see these two buttons though, Actions and Customize. We're going to go into Actions and then select Edit Code. Okay, once you click on Edit Code, you'll come to this screen. There'll be a bunch of options here. This will either be empty like this, or there may be some tabs in here if you've been in here before. Either way, you're going to find the theme.liquid section. Mine is right here under the layout. Yours may be in a different area, but it'll be theme.liquid. Go ahead and click on that. Now at first glance, it's a little bit intimidating if you've never gone into the code, and there's all kinds of stuff in here. Don't worry about it. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. At the very bottom, you're going to see this word body with a couple of brackets and a black slash. We're going to paste what we just copied from the email right above this. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. Sorry. I'm going to hit return. I'm going to hit it twice, and I'm just going to go right into line 264. Now your theme may be different, so you may not be on line 264. It may be a different one. Don't worry about that, as long as you put what we copied right above the word body. Okay, so you can just go ahead and paste those items in that you copied from your email. Now it's quite long, so it kind of jumps over. Don't worry, just go ahead and shift back over to your left. And you'll see all your code is there, and what you inserted is now saved on your theme.liquid file. So go ahead and click Save. Then you'll get a button that says Assets Saved. Okay, so now let's go back to the your website, or my website for this example here. So you'll see I don't have that logo here, so I'm going to refresh the screen. Okay, and once that refresh goes through, you'll see there is the handicap logo. So if somebody comes to my website and they have a disability, a lot of times they'll be using a tool that they need to interact with the website. And they see that, they can click on it, and it'll help them have a better user experience with my website. And it also opens my business up to all the people out there who have disabilities and are looking for websites that are easier to use. If you have any questions on this, email me at brandon@hokumarketing.com. The accessibe.com link is in the description, and you can click on that and talk to them. They're real friendly and very helpful over there as well. Any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'm